We are going to explain the conditions that must be met for UV printing on cylindrical elements. We start by adjusting the switches on the back as follows. Once this is done, we proceed to measure our glass or bottle. It is important to consider the height, take note of it, and then the circumference. The latter can be measured in two ways. If we have a flexible measuring tape, we can directly wrap it around the object and take its measurement. Otherwise, we can also measure it by multiplying its diameter by 3.14. Once we obtain the correct measurements, the ideal thing to do is to go to some design application and adjust the image to these measurements, resizing it, cropping it. In AcroRip software, we load the image using the Open option. And once opened, we rotate it once with the Rotate tool that is in the Layout tab. There, in Output Size, we should observe if the editing work was correct, that the measured values are reflected as follows. In width, the measured height, and in height, the circumference. Something important that is sometimes overlooked is the output position. How do we find the adequate value? This varies in each machine and arises from measuring the distance from the internal right edge and the position of the base of the cylinder. This is the value we are going to enter in output position X. We are going to install our rotary attachment. For this, we move the printing bed forward and position the rotary attachment. We place our object to be printed, as shown in the image, with the base to the right. We move the bed back, but while doing this, we must monitor the height, since by positioning the switches on the back, the height control has remained in manual mode. We lower the bed to the point where the object placed on the rotary attachment has a space of about 2 or 3 millimeters with respect to the red guide of the printer. Once the correct height is found, we continue moving the bed backwards, and at some point, the magnets of the rotary attachment will lock with the limit imposed by the printer. No matter how much we try, they will not go any further, but the bed continues to move. The bed will always have to be at its rear limit to start printing. Back in AcroRip, we will configure the color tab for the values that we consider adequate for our printer. Also the resolution in the Print tab. Once this is done, we'll press Print and adjust the dialog with the values provided by the manufacturer. In my case, they are to activate tumbler and change the nozzle value to 45. We press Print, and our printer should start moving the printhead for the first lines of printing. Along with this, We will see how the bed begins its journey slowly forward, but the rotary attachment does not change position. We let the printing finish. And as you can see, it's been completed successfully. I hope this video is useful to you. Until next time, thank you.